Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into AWS IAM, the gatekeeper of AWS security. Think of it like a VIP list for your AWS resources. Without IAM, it's like leaving your front door open with a neon sign saying "Come on in." So let's explore how it helps keep things locked down tight. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. All right, let's get into the nuts and bolts. AWS IAM is basically the bouncer at the club, checking ID before letting anyone into AWS resources. It makes sure only the right people get access, so no uninvited guests wreak havoc. Think of IAM components like parts of a team. Users are individuals, groups are departments, roles are temporary assignments, and policies are the rulebook everyone follows. If IAM were a workplace, policies would be the office rules that prevent chaos. Policies are like the command center, telling AWS who can do what. Written in JSON, they look like fancy secret codes, but really they just say things like Bob can access S3 but not EC2. Simple, right? IAM roles are like guest passes, temporary access that expires when no longer needed. They're perfect for applications needing access, but you wouldn't want to give them a permanent key to the kingdom. Managing user permissions individually. That's like sending invites one by one to a massive party. It's exhausting. Groups make it easy. Assign permissions once and all group members follow the same rules. Passwords alone aren't enough. MFA is like having a second lock on your door. Even if someone steals the key, they'll need a secret code too. So Security 101. Always use MFA. Identity Federation lets users log in through familiar providers like Google or Active Directory. It's basically outsourcing authentication. Why reinvent the wheel when you can use existing security frameworks? Security is like flossing, neglect it, and things get messy. Least privilege ensures users only get access they need. MFA stops intruders, and monitoring logs catches security breaches before they happen. IAM Policy Simulator is like a test run. Before committing to access rules, try them out. You wouldn't deploy a parachute without testing it first, right? This tool helps avoid security mishaps. Imagine a security system that's smart enough to know exactly what you need access to, based on your role and location. That's a back. No more worrying about rigid roles. It's dynamic and adaptable. It strengthens security while keeping things flexible. But beware, setting it up requires careful planning. It's a powerful tool, but only if used correctly. IAM Access Analyzer is like that friend who tells you to clean your garage, pointing out things you don't need anymore. It helps identify permissions that are gathering dust and ensures you follow the least privilege principle. Cleaning up unnecessary access improves security, minimizes risk, and keeps your IAM policies streamlined. Because let's be honest, excessive permissions are just digital clutter. Good news! IAM has a free tier, meaning basic identity management won't cost you a dime. But advanced features, those come with a price tag. Smart policy structuring and regular audits help optimize expenses. Think of it like a gym membership. If you're not using all the fancy equipment, why pay for it? Being mindful of costs keeps your IAM spending in check. IAM is the backbone of cloud security, ensuring the right people get the right access. Whether it's managing users, enforcing MFA, or securing workloads, IAM does it all. Think of it as the security guard at the front desk, checking ID before letting anyone in. With proper policies in place, you'll have peace of mind knowing your cloud environment is secure. Troubleshooting IAM issues is like solving a mystery. Except your detective tools are policies, logs, and access analyzer. If access isn't working, check permissions and trust relationships first. Enabling logging helps track activity and pinpoint issues faster. It's all about following the breadcrumbs and fixing misconfigurations before they cause bigger problems. So we've covered IAM troubleshooting and security best practices. It's been quite the journey. The key takeaway: IAM is powerful, but only when used wisely. Regular audits, optimized policies, and staying updated ensure a secure cloud environment. And hey, IAM might not make you a cybersecurity superhero overnight, but it gets you pretty darn close. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.